Good afternoon, my name is Sakheda and my roll number is 241099484, and right now I'm demonstrating my task of front end, and in this I will explain how I have built the authentication and plan selection flow, and in this basically how a user can sign up, login and choose between the free and premium plans. Starting from start, we will start from the Firebase setup. As I have set up the Firebase because it gives me a already ready secure backend for the authentication and for the database. I don't have to manage the password or database manually, so all the things will be done by my Firebase. So here I have import initialize Firebase app, so and get authentication and get Firestore to create instances for the authentication and database, and then I have export these. Then next I have created a three function: sign up, sign up with mail and password, sign out, and create user with email and password. So in this, what does it do? These are my Firebase project configuration, and these are my function authentication function. As sign up function uses the create user with email and password, and after that it saves the username and email as and a default field is premium or not in the Firestore. So why I have written this is like when a user sign ups, we only not create the account for a user but also prepare the database to track their entry whether they have a free feature or they have a premium users. So after that we have a login with email and logout. Simply they will log in and log out using Firebase built-in methods, so we don't have to do anything manually. So after that I will explain the authentication context as that why I have made this file. Like it is the like instead of checking login status on every page, I have used a React context system. This file will work as a global manager for the authentication and will wrap all the whole app and shares the login information everywhere. And in this I have used the auth state change user equals send current user. So why I have used this is like whenever the Firebase detects a login or logout, it will automatically update the current user state. So like this is the in a kind like if someone logs out on one page, so every other page should know that the person has been logged out. I've also made export some the helper function such as sign up, login, and sign out. So through the contact, so when my sign up and login pages, I have to use this function. They don't need to need them from the directly from the Firebase. They can use this context. So after that, we will go to our sign up .jsx. So here for the main simple goal for the here is to make a new user safely, new user account, and here I have used the use reference instead of use state. So because it is faster and simpler for smaller forms like this. So the main thing I have used use reference in every password and everything, and this is that if it will hold the page so it doesn't render the page. So after that it will check that the passwords are it confirm password are same or not. If they do, it will call a sign up email password form from the auth context which we have discussed in the authentication, and on success it will navigate to the login page, and if it fail it will send a alert message such as sign up failed, and this is a simple JSX which it returns. And I've used here the HTML tags for creating this is header and input and all. So after that we will go to our login.jsx. In login we have the same function we have used in the sign up function. So using the use reference authentication for the function, and navigator react router for navigate to one page to another, and importing login.css, as all the things are the same. So in this, if it succeed, if the email and password are detected and same as the Firebase, so it will navigate to the plans. I have used here useref again for the fast data access transfer as I have discussed. So I have also, and if the login dates are not equally, it will send a alert message such as login failed. And after that, this is a simple HTML for which I have written for my login page. So after that, I will discuss my plan.jsx. It uses a React Router DOM, so it can navigate from one page to another, and authentication, so it can uses the function from the authentication JSX instead of Firebase. So in this, if once a user logins in, they will land on this page, and this is where they will choose between free and premium plan. So the main logic which I have implemented here is that when some that free user can get the basic dashboard access, and the premium user which have paid money, so they can have the extra features. And simple is like these are the extra features which I'm talking about. And it is mandatory to log in first before purchasing or taking any plan. So when someone clicks on the premium plan, they have to take on the payment page. So here I have set up that login status, because we are not linking the user account or data. Otherwise we won't know that whose person have the who's a paid subscription, whose subscription. So this is a simple HTML tag I have used here, and the CSS. After that, I have also app.jsx, my first page where my app will start. I have given set up all the routes using the React router, and for sign up, login planes, and all the things, I have wrapped everything inside the authent. As the reason behind that is I want all the components to have a direct access to the current user, so I don't need to pass props manually between the pages. And these are all the links which will be shared to all the other public routes, and this is the private route which will be login, which will be seen after the login function. After that, I will explain the another file, as you can see here, dashboard.jsx. So the dashboard.jsx is the main page when the user see after logging it. Doesn't matter if it is a premium plan or a simple plan, it will change the features if he is having a premium plan. And in this I have used the use auth to get the current user and verify that he has been logged in or not. And then I will fetch the user specific data from the Firestore using the get doc. This will include that a person is having a premium features or not. So the main logic here is like if each users can have personalized settings stored in Firestore, this will ensure that a free and premium users see different content, and the dashboard reflect their preferences instantly. If a person is having a simple plan, he will not have the all the extra features such as banner or toggle theme and constant changing on cards. So if it's having, so in this I have used the use state to manage the is premium to control which features are shown, and the theme will be on like the light or dark mode, whereas the banner feature it will select the custom message for the premium user, and the card visibility will control which card will appear on the dashboard or not. So in this I have used the premium features such as the banner message. In this what will happen, like premium users can set a custom message at the top of their dashboard, and it can be saved in the Firestore. So we have also have a form to submit that the message using the set doc with the merge true, as you can see here. And if the message doesn't save or any error, so it can give you a alert failed to save banner message. After that we have another premium feature which is known as content control toggle, as in this users can toggle visibility of each dashboard card if they want to see that card or not on their dashboard. And same again, if anything happens wrong, it give alert failed to update card visibility. Then we have another function known as theme toggle. It depends on the it will depend on the person's choice. He wants their ad dashboard in a dark mode or in a light mode, so they can choose here simply. So this is a simple HTML which I have made using the tags. And if the person has having a premium plan, a star with premium written on their dashboard at the top, and on the button if they navigate to the plans. So these are all the functions. I have made some of the cards which which they can select if they want to visible if they want on their dashboard or not. So this is such as, then after that I will show you my post JSX dot. The projects in this page we have write post in Markdown, which see a live preview and can be submit them on the Firebase. So here what is the logic is using the Markdown, which will allow rich formatting, and Code Mirror will provide a better writing experience. As you can see here, I have imported some of the libraries. Then after that, when the user submit, the content will be stored in the Firebase with a time spent, and who has done that means the author emails also. This will make it easy to display posts later and maintain an organized collection in the database. If something happens again with the error, it will show the error submitting post. Then here I have used some of the CSS as CSS class name editor container, which will be used in the its CSS file. So simple. After that we will see our payment.jsx. In this it integrates the Stripe for payment. I have used the Stripe, as you can see here. Again imported, I import the separate CSS file for this. This is the key which I have got when I have logged in the Stripe in Safari. So what is the logic is that using Stripe, which will make ensure that the secure handling of credit card information. So like all the credit cards are very sensitive and their information, so we are not saving in our app. So I have used this Stripe. And here I have used this line, which will render a payment form with a card element. When the form is submitted, we call a backend endpoint create a payment intent, which creates a Stripe payment intent. So if the payment succeeds, we will update the user in the Firestore that the user has been updated to the subscription plan or premium plan, and it will make there a true, and this will make the user to use his dashboard with the special features which will he get. So this is just again some of the things, and the price of that premium plan. At the back end of here, it is my env file which I am having a strip secret key. We get two keys, a public and a secret key. And in our index.jsx, we use Express and Stripe. As create payment intent receive will receive the plan and the user email. Here you can see, and we will calculate the amount, and then just like it will create the amount and create a payment intent in the Stripe at the back end. Stripe returns a client secret to the front end, which will confirms the payment. So here the logic is separating payment handling to a server, keeps like API key secure, and ensures payments are verified before granting or having the premium features to a user. So after this, let me show you my project working. So this is my project front page, and I have said I have to log in. It is simple code, which one you need to be logged in. So we will log in, or we sign up a new user, such as Sagar 13 @gmail.com. Sagar 13, password is Sagar 13. And I've signed up successfully. Then we will open our which I have made @gmail.com. 13 password. So it has been logged in successfully. We can choose any plan, select free, or if we go to select free, we go to simple. And if I want to go for premium, this is I have to put the card number, like it's a simple example card number for Visa. So 34 6. If we enter the wrong password or wrong card number detail, it will show the error. So after paying now, it will say payment success, your premium user, and we have all our premium features. So here if we click hello everyone and save banner, it's like this. If we want to change the theme of, we can also change that, and as well as we can change this also. And if we log out, this is the main app.